Hello guys, welcome to Campfire. This is Jonathan. I'm at Torrance Barrens, this Dark Night Reserve area in Ontario. This is my last trip in 2019 because today is December 31st, 2019. That means I'm gonna spend the New Year's Eve right here by myself with Princess, who seems a little miserable right now. It's not cold, it's not like freezing cold, it's 0 degree. We took our time to kind of hike here, did a lot of shots in different areas, and my goal today is not to go by the lake. Most of the lakes are frozen by now. I was looking for like this open area, which I did right here on this side, which you will see in a sec, with a lot of dead trees around us. But yeah, let's set up our campsite and we'll go from there. Before that, let's hit the intro and I'll show you how I got here, or how we got here. Let's go. There are signs of people being here before. Those are all human-made. I'm not sure if I want to set up a campfire over there. Might not be a bad idea. I'll think about it. Maybe, since there are benches created for me already. You see leaning trees over there? Those 3 should be good enough for today. And there's a bunch on top of that tree as well, dead branches. I see some dead trees over there as well, so that's good. Princess, are you okay? Nope. Why did you bring me out here, you asshole? It's so cold! Take me home. I think I might need to put out a tarp and up on top of the campfire area so I can have a very dry spot to kind of set up my fire. Or else if it's just keep coming down like this today, we're gonna be all wet by the end of the night. That's gonna take some time, and it's about 2 o'clock right now. A little worried that it's gonna get dark soon, but good thing is that I have a lot of fire around here. Tarp, let's set up a tarp. Tarp is done. It's not super tight, but I'm not too worried because it's not a windy day. Oh, that part is not good at all. But for the meantime, I'm gonna keep it as that because I really need to just get a fire going. Princess is freezing, so I'm just gonna move all my stuff underneath the tarp and then get some fire going, and then I'll see what I can do with the tarp. Whew. Now, because it's so wet, I made sure I spend some time, you know, splitting the wood, making sure everything is dry when I put in the fire. Oops. Gonna make smaller pieces. Oops. There you go. Let's do a bigger piece. Let's do this guy right here. Ooh, thick piece. I'm gonna start the fire now. Now honestly, I'm not too confident of how easy I can make this fire start, but I'm just gonna try my best here. You know, worst comes to worst, I use paper towel, I use tissue paper, but I really don't want to. No, 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 no. That part seems like it's catching on fire. Now, because it's winter time, they may die easily. I purposely put the birch firewood on the bottom, just so like as they dry up, the bark will catch on fire easily. Having a little bit of hard time right now. The snow just kept coming down. I don't want to put my tarp directly on the fire, on top of the fire, because I don't want it to melt. And the fire just dying. I haven't cooked yet. I haven't eaten anything yet, so I'm kind of hungry. And the snow is coming down hard. You can probably hear it. Not looking good. Not looking good at all. Trying to keep the fire alive. It's not gonna die, but it's not gonna get hot either. This is constant snow. Please stop! So I just spent like a good 15-20 minutes to redo the whole tarp. Now it's over the fire. I know it's not ideal, but I have to do it. Like right now, the snow is like become really slushy in a way because it's not that cold today. And also I realized that the humidity of the air is really, really high. I didn't bring any like gas stove kind of thing, so just kind of like I have to do the fire, make sure the fire works, bushcraft style. Now it's done. The fire looks a little more alive again. So I'm gonna start cooking. It's almost 4:30 now and I haven't eaten anything except with breakfast in the morning. So I'm gonna cook. Nothing crazy, my usual Korean rice cake thing. Tired, man. Tired. I'm gonna put a lot more beer in there. Okay, and just let it simmer down. Hey, good news. The snow stopped. Please stay this way today. Oh, I'm so sick of that right now. Woo, hot. As you can see, the fire is definitely alive now. Probably want to take up a tarp again. Oh my gosh, so much work. So good. Taste the beer in this too. It's not bad having my last camping trip this year in this kind of condition, you know. Gotta make sure everything's done properly. I guess it's good, like a year-end assessment, like a test. A lot of good things happened this year. From not knowing if I got a job in September, I got a job. And I'm teaching full-time. you know, until the end of the school year. Different things came up, different type of like future, I guess, plan came out. So I definitely want to like look into it a little more. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is now, just in case it doesn't happen. Romantically, nothing happened. 2019 is a very single year. How about you guys? Tell me what happened to you this year that you're happy about, you're proud of, or you're like, you know, upset about. Whatever it is, want to share. Princess sleeping right there. You guys can't see her. She's warm where she is. All right, gotta keep eating. I'll turn this back on later on. And we're just chilling. It's now 7:30 and I'm in the tent already with Princess. Winter camping means that we sleep early. Everything was good tonight. Just want to say Happy New Year to you guys. Today's the last day of 2019 and when I wake up tomorrow it's gonna be 2020, so I'll see you guys in a new year. Take care of yourself. Good night. Good morning. Oh my god. I don't know if you can see, but the tent it's covered in snow. There's snow everywhere. Last night the snow was crazy. Had a snowstorm. Oh well, I'm gonna try to set up the fire. May not be able to just because it snowed a lot last night. Yeah, my sleeping bag is moving. Alien. Yeah. Anyway, gotta come out. Gotta get out of the tent now and see if I can set out a fire. If not, I think I'm just gonna, you know, pack up and go. Good morning, Princess. Okay. That's how much snow I got in one night. Last night, this was leveled. Right, that was leveled. And a lot of this is from my tent, but you can see, oh my god, that's a lot of snow. Oh wow, all that was leveled out yesterday, and now it's all covered in snow. Princess, we're gonna have a hard time getting out today. Okay, it's still snowing. It's pretty deep. We're all covering in snow, like everything outside is covering in snow. So I don't think I can set out a fire right now. So I'm just gonna pack up and go. Happy New Year. It's about 9:30 right now. And I really gotta go pee-pee. Alright guys, done packing up everything. Gonna say goodbye to this campsite. 2020 started with a snowstorm. How cool is that? Look over there, man. The view's amazing. Look at that. Man, I gotta take a picture of this. So nice. But anyway, we're gonna head out now. Happy 2020. Hope the best for all of you. And I'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed the trip. Later. Bye. Come on. Let's go. We're leaving. Come on.